Hello everyone, this is just a video to go over a few things that you need to know about starting your electric Ryobi mower. So yeah, if you come in here and you open this up and you put the battery in, couple things. One, make sure you have the key. Key has to be in there. Different models have this in different locations, but you have to have the key in there. The key is nothing but a little loop that goes in there and creates a connection. If you can see that, it creates a circuit. Here's the bottom of the key. So really, I guess you could make one of these if you lost it, but make sure the key's in there first. Okay, now if the key's in there and the battery's in there and you know the battery's charged, and you come over here and you try to crank this and it still won't crank, there's a couple things you got to look at. First of all, if you have these down, right, you've had it in storage, you've got the things down, and you come back here, you pull it up, you snap these on, you're ready to go, but it still doesn't want to run. Make sure, see right here it says prior to use, make sure the handles are fully extended and locked, because that's one of the safety features. If they're not fully extended all the way and locked, it won't crank. You will not be able to get this cranked. So there's one problem. Make sure that's taken care of. The other problem is you have to make this also in the position. So if you have this, like I said, in a position where you pulled these off and you stored it, so you had this in a position where you had this put up and you stored it, it's not going to crank if it's not in one of these positions, right? So you have, there's two little positions here you can use it in, that one or that one. These have to be all the way snapped in, okay? If they're not all the way pushed in, if they're not all the way pushed in and this isn't clicked into place, it's not going to let you start it. So if you've done all of that, like this one should start because I just used it, but if you've done all of that, make sure you push the button, hold it for a few seconds, then you pull back, whatever that's called, the thing there. You pull back that, and it starts, you're good. But if it doesn't start at this point, you may also have a problem, which I'll link to in this other video, where something got in there and ate your wires up. So I have another video that goes into this. We had a problem, we put it into storage, and some mice got in there and ate up the wires. So I had to take this all apart, fix the wires, put it back together, got it running. So there'll be a link to that here, and that may be part of the problem. But that should be about it. There's basically those few things, and other than that, this thing should run. Hope this video helped. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. There's the applaud button if you loved it that much. But until next time, everyone, thank you.